That was pretty good ricochet. This is the back got you.
Aim it down a little bit.
I can't come out the doors. Huh?
You have to aim it a little bit.
I'm trying to shoot Charlie.
Aim down a little bit. There you go.
Where's the shooting at?
It's in my car. It's my car.
Is it?
Yeah.
I can see a need for a laser pointer now.
Ooh! That hit like right here.
Machine out there, it's kind of goofy out back now. I took like $1 bill in and started spitting quarters out of it, and they gave me my pocket.
Oh, really?
Okay. Let's wait till he's done. The back tire on the camera doesn't even look like it's moving. We have taken a Chevy 1500 Power Wheels and we have converted it into remote control along with an automated turret which is trying to shoot me right now. Because the turret is controlled by servos, 2 servos, and it is hooked to an Arduino board. Here's our board, as you can see, and there's some of the wiring we have right there. There's our laptop, which is running on an ad hoc network. That's how we're controlling it. Over here, as you can see, is Donald, who has the laptop and the program running there. That's what's controlling it. We have the what do we have? Move your fingers here for a minute. We have I, J, K, and L as the controls for the vehicle, and the WSAD keys for the turret, and the space bar is fire. Show you some more here. We got a switch we put in there. Up is the automatic, down is manual, in the middle is off. We're using the regular battery we have. We just cut into the wires there. Let me take this completely off for a minute. Okay. Oh, lighting's really bad right here. So I'm going to pull it back over there.
Over there?
Yeah, like back in that little cove there. Turn it, if you can, let's just do it this way since this, because this thing's got bad light. There we go. We have 2 different relays set up in an H bridge that are hooked to the motor that allow it to go, one controls back and forward and backwards, and this one controls left and right. All the wiring runs down through there, and down through the floorboard, which you can see is full of our targets, and runs up underneath there. In order to get the steering to work completely, we had to use this clutch that we built and manufactured ourselves. We had to build a frame for it. We used a different motor from another power wheels to get it working. Let's go ahead and sit that back down. So basically, that is our remote control Power Wheels. Total cost, if you include the laptops, the vehicle, the turret we used, and the frame, came up to $899. We have another design that's a lot cheaper than that and doesn't require all this stuff. I mean, you're looking at probably the relays, they're costing about $12 a piece. You can get them cheaper than that. We just need 4 relays for an H bridge. You can use transistors too. We have a design for that. The board itself is $30, and then the motor shield on top of it, that's $20. The Power Wheels is your biggest cost. Get one of them, donate it to you, and you're good to go if you got a couple laptops laying around. The vehicle was, what was it? $350 what the vehicle said it was. The turret, it's $15, and then your servos. I mean, what was the servo cost? Yeah, I mean, you're just regular servos here. You got a 90-degree servo and a 180-degree servo.
280 degrees.
But 280-degree servos. And then we have, I mean, the manufacturer clutch. I mean, you're going to look at just something that you can use to another motor with. If you can find another electric motor, you can use that. We got one like that off another Power Wheels, just junk Power Wheels. So a total cost to us, the only thing we really had to buy was the boards, and then all thread rod, which is down there in the underneath it. You can't see. We have an all thread rod so that we could mount our clutch to it. I mean, any airsoft gun you got there, you can use. So if you got an airsoft gun and want to use that, there you go. Probably post our emails. You got any questions or anything, just let us know. We'll help you make your own if you want to do this. The programming, however, is a little difficult, but we're going to open source it. So, you know, there you go. You got the programs. You get you some laptops. Looking at the vehicle. Where'd it go? See ya. Bye.